iBorn deck-mounted bird feeder pole. Comes in a number of sizes. Check online for further details about the poles, the trays that they offer, and iBorn products like a hummingbird feeder and bird feeders. What we're going to do is show you how it comes in the box, and we're going to show you how it's presented in the box. So if you have a deck, a pole, an area that you could clamp on your bird feeder pole, we're going to show you how to do that. Let's open it up, show you what you get inside the box. Opening up the box and its contents, everything is nicely and individually wrapped. We have an instruction guide that you can simply go over and read how to install and what the product is all about. The first thing we do is unwrap the product, take it all out of the plastic bags. You get 4 wing nut bolts. You get the clamp, washer nut, 3 hanging brackets, and 3 poles. What you're going to do is install the clamp, the thumb drive that simply screws on. Then the washer nut goes on with the wide end facing the top. And then you screw down on your pole. The maximum is 3.5 inches and the minimum is 1.5 inches of closure. So we're going to slide our end on. We're going to lock it down for our demonstration purposes to set up. We take the first pole to the aluminum threads and we carefully counter and clockwise rotate to lock down. We then take our 3 hanging brackets and we just simply place on. We take the 3 wing bolts and we have a spare in case we lose one. On each hanger we take the bolt and we screw on the wing nut. Last but not least, we take the top pole and we screw on as well. When you assembled everything, then you loosen up and you adjust your heights accordingly to your liking. You have mantled your pole set up for assembly. Now you're going to place it in your garden, on your deck, your rail, where you want to hang bird feeders, hummingbird feeders, and more. Find a location in your garden and lock down. Adjust accordingly your poles to the way you like. So if you're looking for a fence pole feeder hanger of different sizes and hanger sizes, you could check online again for further details about iBorn products. They make hummingbird feeders, they make bird feeders, and more. I hope you enjoyed this review of the fence pole. Thank you very much for viewing.